Following a deadly house fire in New Britain last month and 3 there so far this year, firefighters spent the day installing smoke alarms around the city. Now, they were joined by the Red Cross canvassing neighborhoods and educating people on proper fire safety in the home. Crews even provided alarms that replaced them with 10-year lithium battery smoke detectors, all free. Turning the clocks ahead is a good reminder to check your alarms twice a year. The city's fire chief says having a working alarm can be the difference between life and death.
Obviously, a working smoke alarm, early detection, early notification is paramount for anyone's survival in any fire. So we want to get out there as often and as much as possible, but in the wintertime, yeah, it's certainly important.
The fire chief says a good tip is to have an exit drill, know where all your exits are in your home, and have an escape route in case of an emergency.